This is Starlink, an internet service provided by SpaceX. It uses satellites that have been deployed to low Earth orbit to distribute an internet signal to basically anywhere on Earth. As of today, the service is not available worldwide, but as the satellites keep getting deployed, this coverage will keep expanding. I am going to unbox this Starlink kit that I just received. Right. First thing I see here, this is the base for the dish. So let's set that aside. And here we have the actual dish. This here will point automatically on this in the sky towards wherever the satellites are located. Those satellites are always in motion, but depending on your location, there will be a specific area of the sky that the dish will need to point to in order to get the best signal from all the satellites. There we go. Now this has a cable that I'll get to. These are the instructions. So this is, I think it's like a 50-foot long cable, and this will provide power to the dish, as well as handle all the data communications between the dish and the other piece of hardware, which is here. Now this is Starlink's integrated router and access point. This will provide a Wi-Fi signal, and yeah, it basically connects to the dish, and it's pretty much plug and play. Now, this is version 2. If you have seen version 1 of StarDish, it will be a round dish, and I'm not sure how much this changes, but I do know that version 1 would have an Ethernet port, which this one doesn't have. All I see here is power and a port for connecting this cable. Set this aside, and I mean, that's it. Power cable, and that's it. There's nothing else here in this box. So going back to the instructions, they're really like the simplest they could make them. All it says is get the cables connected, get the dish set up, plug it into power, and then join the Starlink Wi-Fi network. Alright, so I'm here outside with the Starlink, and I'm gonna plug it in outside and see what happens. There we go. So as you can see, after a couple of minutes, the satellite is showing that it's online. It's getting a signal and it's connected to the internet. I'm not gonna go into speed test in this video. I'm gonna do that some other day. So please like and subscribe, and maybe I'll take this out to the field and test it out.